Alright, in the last video we discussed what calls and puts were. In today's video we will discuss what are option premiums and how they are made. So, have you ever wondered why an option costs 200 rupees one day and 250 the next, even if the stock barely moved? That's because option prices isn't random. It's made up of two things, two key parts that you need to keep in your mind: intrinsic value and time value. Okay, in today's video we will break down both of these. So first, let's begin with the total price you pay for an option. You know that it's called a premium, right? So think of it like a ticket price to gamble or to trade. Okay, it has two components: intrinsic value, which is the real value if the option was exercised right now. But because we are in India right now, and in India we use something called an European option. In European option, you can't exercise your option at any time, like the American options, because in the American options you can exercise your option anytime if it's in the money. But in India, because we use the European option, you cannot do that. You can only do that at the time of expiry. And the second thing we have is time value. Time value is the extra you pay for the chance that it could become more profitable before expiration. This is the very thing that we as option sellers exploit. So let's talk about intrinsic value for a second. Intrinsic value is simple. For an call option, it's the current stock price minus the strike price. So, for example, let's take if Nifty was at 19,500 and you hold a 19,000 call. So, then the intrinsic value would be 500. That's the amount you would gain if you exercised it right now. Of course, this is an example because you cannot exercise index options. But take it as an example, okay? And for a put option, it's strike price minus the current stock price. So if you have 20,000 put and Nifty is at 19,500, then the intrinsic value is again at 500. If the option is out of the money, intrinsic value is zero, flat. Okay, simple, right? Now, time value is the trickier part. It's essentially the price of potential. This is the main thing that we will talk about today because it's the very thing that we exploit. And intrinsic value is not something that we look into much these days because we don't even sell ITM options much. We only sell like ATM or OTM options which have zero intrinsic value. So time value is a trickier part. It's essentially the price of potential, how likely it is that your option will move into profit before expiration. The longer the time left, the more chance, so the higher the time value. So if one option is expiring 1 year from now versus an option that is expiring 1 month from now, the option with which is expiring 1 year from now will have more premium because it has a longer expiration, so it has a bigger time value, even if this one is OTM and this one is ITM. Yeah. Now, the factors that affect time value include time until expiration, the expiry date, of course, and then volatility, then the interest rates and the dividends. Interest rates play a minor role. Time until expiration plays the biggest role. Then comes volatility because if the stock suddenly gaps up 10%, that is a big factor. Now, let's see it in action. Again, we will take the same 19,800 Nifty example. So if you buy a 19,500 call for 400, the intrinsic value is 300 and the time value that you paid for it is 100. So you're paying 100 for the chance that Nifty could go up before expiration. That's the price you pay just to enter the trade. That 100 rupees is the ticket you pay. The rest is the intrinsic value that you must pay. So that's the magic. And options are not just stocks, there are bets on investment. Stocks is something that you own, options is something that follows the underlying asset. So option in itself is nothing, it's just something that represents something else because it's a derivative. Now, we will not keep this video more than this because that is all I wanted to say, that time value and intrinsic value are the two main components. And let's just do a quick recap. Intrinsic value is the right now value, think of it like that, and the time value is the chance value. And option premiums are intrinsic plus time. All right. Understanding this is crucial because it tells you if an option is cheap, expensive, or a trap for retail traders. Right now, it won't make sense, but as we move along and more, educational videos come, you will start to link them together, and you'll find out that these small topics, even small things like how calls versus puts behave to each other versus how intrinsic value and time value behave to each other, once these all add up together, you will start to form concepts on your own. That is something that I want you to do. That is my end goal after these 40 videos. Okay, so if you found this helpful, you can hit subscribe because the next video is where I will break down what moves option prices and why Greeks matter. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.